Move right into this updated Rumstick Village Colonial, located in the heart of the sought-after Harbours Association in Barrington. The sun-filled open layout with hardwood floors throughout offers versatile and welcoming spaces. The living room, featuring a wood-burning fireplace, opens to a four-season sunroom with new windows. The updated kitchen features granite countertops with seating for two and stainless appliances, while opening to the gracious formal dining area. Also on the main level are a half bath and an inviting family room with board and batten walls. The beautifully landscaped, expansive yard features a lovely upgraded gunite pool with a new patio perfect for entertaining. Upstairs features a spacious ensuite master bedroom, boasting a stunning renovated bath with designer tile. Two additional bedrooms and a second renovated bath complete the second floor. Located in an award-winning school district, this home is just down the road from the beautiful Barrington Town Beach and the Barrington Harbor. Stroll through downtown and visit the local shops and restaurants or the historic town library. Spend a day at one of the local parks or traveling down the East Bay bike path that stretches from Bristol to Providence. Just a short 20-minute commute will get you to all of the award-winning dining and entertainment options in Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Elizabeth Kirk of the Kirk Shriver team at area code 401-225-0371.